What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. We are an authorized Denago city cart dealer, as well as Club Car and Star. A thing it's not really a problem, but something if you've noticed, if you have a 25 model, any of the Denago models, the key card, you'll touch it here and you'll hear this. You'll hear that right there. Okay. Some people are buying these electric golf carts for hunting use, which I understand because they're silent. You can drive them out in the woods and whatever, especially with the off-road tires. But you're trying to be as quiet as possible, if you're going hunting. So a beep like that will definitely not make a hunter happy. Unfortunately, you cannot disable that beep. There's nowhere to disable it in the settings or anything. Where it's located, the beeping is coming from the actual key sensor, which is right behind this right here. There's a little box that's magnetized basically, and when you touch the key to it, it turns on the cart. But it's the box itself that is making the beeping sound. So if you needed to exchange, if you had a customer who did not want it to make a noise when you touch the card to it, you'll have to go to a cart that does not make the sound, because some of them do not. If it's an earlier model 25 or a late 24, you'll have to swap out the box. So that means you'll have to take this glove box out. There's a few screws in it. Lift it out. You can reach down in there, and then there's a few screws on the keycard sensor, or NFC sensor it's called. Remove that and swap it with a cart that does not make the noise. You'll have to swap all the keys over as well, because they will be directly related to that little box. So that's the only catch, is you'll have to swap all the key cards from the cart that you're trying to swap the noise from. So it's not that difficult, it's not a horrible thing. But, we were trying to figure it out, and hopefully there was a box we could just disconnect, and no, you cannot. So there you go. Always learn something new. We got other videos about these carts, so make sure you check out the playlist link you'll see at the end of this video. And if our video helped you, make sure you click the thanks donation button underneath the video screen and shoot us a donation. We really appreciate it. Got tons of videos on our channel, so y'all check it out. Y'all have a great day.